Next point is comparing string to patterns. Comparing two string means matching the value of multiple variables. Here we will see the program. Program on equal to $A equal to within double quote 10 semicolon, $B equal to 10 semicolon. Here A and B having the values, one is string and one is integer. If next statement is if in bracket $A equal to $B, bracket complete, then statement for that left curly bracket, echo, that is display statement, within double quote both are equal semicolon, and end of the if. Else part of this, else, then again left curly bracket, echo within double quote both are not equal semicolon. If we execute this program and here the operator is given equal to, here it will check what the 10, it will not check the type. So the output is both are equal. Then next is exact comparison use of equal to, that is triple equal to. Here it is comparison are used to execute statements only under certain condition equivalent operators. That means here equal to and triple equal to can be used to compare the two strings. Equal to is used to check the content of the literal. Just we have seen in the previous program. That means it will check only 10. It doesn't check the type because one is the string type and one is the literal. But it will take the equal to. Hence, we will get that output according to that. And next is triple equal to is used to check the content as well as the data type of the string. So, we will see that program. Here, exact comparison use of triple equal to. Again here $A equal to within double quote 10, that means here again like previous program, here 10 string we have taken semicolon. Then next $B equal to 10, here it is the 10 value only, that is the literal or integer value semicolon. Then the next statement if, here we use that triple equal to. In bracket $A equal to triple equal to $B, bracket complete. Then left curly bracket, that is beginning of this if, echo within double quote both are equal semicolon. Again here the else part of this program, echo within double quote both are not equal. So here, which is contrast to earlier program. Here it will check the type also. That's why when we execute this program, then we will get the both are not equal. Because here type is checked and here one type is string and one type is integer. That's why the output is both are not equal. And so here this is the difference between equal to and triple equal to. Then next is approximate equality. To approximately compare strings, PHP provides some functions here. $A equal to, here we will see in the example directly, here the within PHP tag, $A equal to within double quote C semicolon, $B equal to within double quote C semicolon. Here the pronunciations are different here, and if we directly read then C. Next statement is if sound x, here sound is considered, that's why sound x, that is the function in bracket $A equal to sound x, again in bracket $B, and the outer brackets complete. Then here beginning of this if starting with the left curly bracket, echo within double quote equal semicolon, close that if, then else part of this again within left curly bracket, echo within double quote not equal semicolon, and end of the else also, and end of the PHP program. If we execute this, then here the output is equal because the sound, that is C here, and hence we will get the output equal. Then next is similar text. Here syntax of similar text is similar underscore text in bracket str1 comma str2 and in within square bracket comma percent, again bracket complete, that means here it is optional. Here str1 and str2, the similar text function returns the number of matching characters of two strings. We will see in the program. Here first statement of this program is echo similar underscore text, that is our function, and in bracket within double quote Raju dash sir, again comma Raju dash sir. Here the letters are differently used, that means small and capital. Then comma and dollar PER, bracket complete, semicolon. And we'll display that PER, that means our argument, echo dollar $PER, semicolon, end of the PHP tag. So here it will compare the similar text, that means R capital, yes it is. Then A, here small, here capital, so it will not match. So exact comparison, it will take how many letters or how many characters, it will the similar. And according to that, it will take the percentage, because our argument we have passed dollar per PER and we display that. So here the similarity percentage is 62.5, hence the output is 62.5. Then next is Levenshtein algorithm. So here Levenshtein algorithm calculate the similarities of two strings based on how many characters are added. Remember this difference, how many characters are added, replaced or deleted to make them the same. And here syntax of this is $s equal to Levenshtein in bracket $str1 comma $str2. So here this will take these two strings. Here is in example in PHP tag, the display statement, that is echo Levenshtein in bracket within double quote good space morning, comma, then next is within double quote good space E, bracket complete, semicolon, and end of the tag. Here the matching will be considered. See, first word from the first string, that is good, and again the first word from second string, good. It is match, but how many characters are not match? Here that means from second string, good E, and in first string how many characters are not match? So here from first string, that is string 1, MORNING. So here the 7 characters are not match, hence the output will be 7. Pattern comparison. Sometimes you need to compare character strings to see whether they fit certain characteristics rather than match exact values. For example, you might want to identify strings beginning with capital N or strings that have numbers in them. For this type of comparison, you compare the string to a pattern. These patterns are called regular expressions or regex. Most commonly, pattern matching is used on web pages to check the input from a form. Pattern consists of literal characters and special characters. Literal characters are normal characters with no other special meaning. Special characters have special meaning in the pattern, such as asterisk, that means when used as a wildcard, or special characters used in patterns. Here pattern comparison. Regular expression is used for validation. It is used to validate. Here URL. So it will check whether it is correctly written, www, then dot, then .com, or whatever that is given or not. Then phone number. So phone number means 10 digit is given or not. Email ID. So here the small letters, then @. So validity of email, whether it is correctly written or not. Dot, then whatever it may be. So then the Aadhaar card. Again here for Aadhaar card, whether the 12 digits are used or not. Then again PAN card. So here according to that the alphanumeric, that is suppose the ADWPD 4413D. So means in this way. So it will check whether the 10 alphanumeric letters or characters are used or not. Then next is built-in functions. So we'll see that function for matching. Here it is the preg_match function is used for matching, preg match, comparing regular expression with a string, and if it matches, the comparison is true. The preg_match function will stop once it finds a single match. Its arguments are pattern, comma, a string and a $match variables to store the first match found, and the syntax is preg_match in bracket pattern, comma, string, and the optional is in square bracket, comma, $match. Then next is preg_split. Here it is the function for splitting. The preg_split function will take a string and break it into an array using a regular expression pattern. It is used or it uses and application is same as split function. Then next is preg underscore replace means function for replacing. So here preg underscore replace function is used for searching and replacing a pattern in a string, and the syntax of it is preg underscore replace in bracket pattern comma replacement comma string. Here it is, this function takes an optional fourth argument limiting the number of replacement made. Here we will see the program examples. Here is the first program within PHP tag. Here $email equal to within double quote email ID is given. Suppose here bbtherekar67@gmail.com separator, that is semicolon. Here the email is given. We use that function if in bracket preg underscore match, that function we have used here, then double quote slash caret, then in square bracket small a dash z plus in another square bracket 0-9 star @ symbol, then in another square bracket small a dash z plus then next square bracket 0-9 star slash dot, then again in square bracket a dash z and in curly bracket 2, 3 slash double quote complete comma $email outer brackets complete, and here left curly bracket echo within double quote correct validation semicolon, then end of that if else, again here beginning of else echo within double quote wrong validation semicolon, and right curly bracket, that is end of else and end of the our PHP program. Here how it will check, that is preg underscore match. Here it will, we have to check whether our email ID is correct or not, and according to that the validation is correct or validation is wrong, the output will be displayed. So here it will check, so whatever written in our email ID, whether that is, so see here a dash z, that means the small a to z is used, then again 0-9, that means the list 0-9 is used there, then star is used, @ that means again after the @ here it will check after that, that's why here star is given, then @ symbol is check again after the @ again it is whether it is in between small a to z and it is in between 0-9, then here after that the dot is there, that's why here in syntax also dot is given, then again a to z, then the 2, 3, so here .com or .in, whatever it may be, that means small a to z 2 or 3 are given or not. So here according to this it will check whether the function preg underscore match is valid or not, and here our example, that is email ID is correct, that's why here the before the else part, that is correct validation output will be given. Next is string functions. Here strlen, that is display the length of the string. We will use that in the program. Here in PHP tag we use the display statement echo strlen and in bracket within double quote hello, that means this string is used, separator and end of the tag. So here length of the string is considered while we execute this program. So HELLO, here it is the 5 letters are there, that's why here 5 characters are there. When we execute the program, then output is, that means length of the string is 5, hence output will be displayed as a 5. Then next is here strtouper, that is string to upper, that means it converts the string to uppercase, whatever it may be. So in the program we will see the display statement strtouper. So this function is used, and in bracket within double quote hello, that means the string is used, semicolon and end of the tag. So here whatever H is capital, E is small, then LL small and OR small, but here string to upper function is used, hence all are converted into capital letter, and our output will be capital H, capital E, capital L, capital L and capital O, that is capital hello will be displayed. Then next is strtolower, that is string to lower. It converts the string to lowercase, whatever it may be. So in program, our display statement strtoupr, that is string to upper function, is used, and argument is our one string, that is within double quote hello. So again here, whatever the input we have given as argument in string, so a capital H is there and ELLO are small. Here all are converted to lowercase letters, and output will be all small letter, that is hello. HELLO, all are small. Then next is UC first. Here it converts the first letter of first word to capital letter. Remember that. That means it will convert only the first letter of first word only to capital letter. We will see in the program. Here it is within PHP tag, our display statement with echo $a equal to our function UC first. In bracket, within double quote, one string is passed, that is hello, good morning. And here the hello, good morning, three words are there. Here the first word having the small letter, all are small letter. Second word, all are small letter. In third word, first is capital letter and all are small letter. Then while executing this, you see first, that means convert the first letter of first word to capital letter. That's why here of hello, here H is capital, that's why H capital, and as it is ELLO small. So hello, then good will keep as it is, because here only for the first letter of first word, and morning will be again as it is displayed. Though the M is already capital, that's why it is displayed as it is. So the output is hello, good morning, and here only here the conversion is first word, that is hello, and it will convert the first letter of this first word H capital. Next is UC words. It converts the first letter of each word to capital letter. Remember that. What is the difference? Here the first letter of each word to the capital letter. In the PHP program, here our display statement with echo $a equal to UC words, that means we use this function, and in bracket one string is passed within double quote hello, good morning. Here again our string is there, that means hello, good, all are small letter, and the third word morning, only the first letter is capital, and here this is the string. If we execute this program, then what the conversion is? Convert the first letter of each word to capital. Hence whatever the hello, here H is capital, then ELLO remaining as it is. So hello, then good, G is again in capital, good, and morning, first letter is already capital. So hello, good morning, of these three words, first letter is capital, that is H, G and M. So in this way the output will be hello, good morning. The next is strpos. So here string position. It displays the position of the string. Again in our PHP program, here we'll see the display statement with echo strpos, that means we are using this function. In bracket, within double quote, good morning, comma, again within double quote, morning, bracket complete, semicolon, and end of the PHP tag. So here it displays the position of the string. That means what is the position of morning in our first string, that is good morning. And here position is, that means here the morning is after good. That's why here GOOT 4 and one is space. That means here position is at the after the 5, because here morning is started after the 5. That's why position of string is 5 and output is 5. Then next is strrev, that is string reverse. Here we'll see in the PHP program with our display statement echo strrev, that means our function, that is string reverse. In bracket, within double quote, hello, word, exclamatory mark. Here it is our string which is passed, and the output is which is reverse. Remember that here the reverse the string. So the output is here exclamatory mark first, then D, then L, R, O, W, space. So here the reverse of word, then space, again O, L, L, E and capital H. So here the reverse of hello. So in this way the whole string will be printed in the reverse manner.